Click on the link below to get price. The EK2 Kids Electric Dirt Bike is an impressive blend of performance, safety, and fun designed specifically for young riders. With a robust 350W motor, this bike can reach a maximum speed of 15 miles per hour, making it a thrilling option for kids eager to experience the excitement of off-road riding without compromising safety. One of the standout features of the EK2 is its sturdy construction. The frame is built to withstand the rigors of rough terrains, while the adjustable seat accommodates growing children, ensuring that the bike can be used for several years. The weight limit of around 140 pounds allows it to cater to a broad age range, making it a great investment for families with multiple kids. Safety is paramount, and the EK2 does not disappoint. It is equipped with both front and rear brakes, providing adequate stopping power for young riders who might be still mastering their coordination. The bike also features a throttle control designed to ensure gradual acceleration, which helps to prevent sudden starts that can catch inexperienced riders off guard. The 36V battery offers a respectable runtime, allowing kids to enjoy extended outdoor adventures without frequent recharges. Depending on terrain and riding style, users can expect around 40 minutes of continuous use, which is ideal for supervised playtime. The charging process is straightforward, and the battery is removable, making it easy to recharge indoors. In terms of aesthetics, the EK2 comes in vibrant colors that appeal to kids, making it a visually exciting option. The bike's design also includes durable tires that provide excellent grip and stability on various surfaces, from dirt paths to grassy fields. Overall, the EK2 Kids Electric Dirt Bike strikes an excellent balance between fun and safety. It encourages outdoor activity and provides a thrilling introduction to motorsports for young riders. With its reliable performance and thoughtful features, it's a solid choice for parents looking to instill a love for adventure in their children.